Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Marsha Triana, and today I will invite all of us to get to know one of the extraordinary local cultural riches, namely Batik Karawang, with the theme preserving heritage, raising national identity. Let's see together how our role as the younger generation can participate in preserving and promoting batik from our own region. We all know that batik is one of Indonesia's cultural heritage that is recognized by the world. In fact, UNESCO has designated it as an intangible cultural heritage. But unfortunately, when we talk about batik, usually what comes to mind is Solo, Kalongan, or Yogyakarta batik. In fact, Karawang also has its own batik with characteristic history and philosophical meanings that are no less deep. Unfortunately, Karawang batik is not that popular, and precisely because of that, we have a responsibility to introduce it more widely. Batik Karawang has existed since the Dutch colonial era. The Karawang people used to batik not just for clothes, but as part of daily life. Karawang batik motifs are mostly inspired by nature and agrarian life because the majority of Karawang people are farmers. The manufacturing technique is still traditional, namely writing batik and stamp. It means the process still relies heavily on hand skill and accuracy. So, what makes Karawang batik different from other regional batik? First, from the motif, batik Karawang displays many images of rice, birds, granaries, jasmine flower, and all of which symbolize a peaceful and meaningful agrarian life. Second, from the color, batik Karawang usually uses natural colors such as earth brown, navy, blue, brick red, and jet. These colors are not flashy but very elegant and obtrusive. Interestingly, each motif holds a philosophy about preservance, fertility, and survival of the Karawang people. But behind the beauty and meaning, Karawang batik faces a big challenge. First, the lack of promotion and public awareness, especially among young people. Second, lack of digitalization. Many batik artisans still don't have access to online platforms to sell or promote their product. Third, the lack of support for cultural and fashion events that can bring Karawang batik to the national and even international level. If this is left alone, it is not impossible that Karawang batik will be left behind. Therefore, a more creative and relevant strategy is needed with today's era. First, collaboration with local influencers. They can help introduce batik Karawang to their followers through outfit of the day or cultural campaigns. And second, holding events such as batik design competition, local fashion shows, or cultural exhibition on campuses and schools. Third, digitalization. Creating websites, social media accounts, even selling batik in e-commerce. In fact, we can innovate further, such as making batik design in the form of digital or art or NFT. The point is, Karawang batik can be relevant in the modern world if we know how to pack and convey it. Well, as students, we don't have to wait big to be able to contribute. We can start from a simple thing. It's like wear Karawang batik during presentation, organization, or official activities, and create content about batik. Can vlog a visit to a craftsman, a mix and match batik tutorial, or a short education about its history. And help batik UMKM around us, for example, helping to make logos, product photos, even helping to open online stores. And then form a community that cares about local culture, can be a creative space to blend culture, and technology. No matter how small the step is, it still means if it is done consistently. Guys, Batik Karawang is not only about aesthetic, it is a story, struggle, and identity. Behind every line and color, there are the hands of local craftsmen who work with love. If we can be proud of wearing batik outside the region, why not with batik from our own region? Let's wear, love, and promote Batik Karawang, not just as a fabric, but as a part of ourselves, starting from yourself, starting from now. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.